Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today is kind of an unboxing. Got these watches are on loan from Rob. I met up with Rob and Craig and a couple other guys this weekend, and just finally getting around to unboxing these. Had a couple other reviews to get done, so I just received the email from Nodus about this watch here, so figured I better get it open and check it out. Yeah, let's do the Nodus first, and then we'll check out this watch here. I kind of know what this one looks like because I saw the email, but I didn't really open it. That other watch, I have no idea what it looks like. So let's get this open. Very nice. So this is the Nodus Retrospect III. I have two other retrospects, and I believe I have a version 1 and a version 2, and this is version 3. So after this video, I'll do a little comparison video with the other two. I don't know which version I have of which one, but anyway, I have way too many watches. I say it all the time, but all right, let's check this out. There we go. You know, I don't know what's in this other little drawer here. I gotta check that out first. It's just looks like some paperwork there, so okay, leave that in there. Looks like it comes with a strap as well, quick release perhaps. Oh, that's cool. It's a looks like a, I don't know if that's canvas or sailcloth and rubber hybrid mix here. That's pretty neat. Looks like a nice quality strap. So, and then maybe I'll release a video tomorrow, look at all the specs, and get another video out on this. Nice clasp here, dual deployment pushers. Nicely done. So a quick release strap as well. Let's push these pins in and it should pop right off. That's a nice feature. I think a lot of companies are going to that now. I've seen it on Christopher Ward, I've seen it on Zelos. This has micro adjust. It does not have a quick adjust like some of the Zelos and Christopher Ward do now. I think I saw in the email the price on this is $475. I didn't want to look too much into it because I wanted to get a a first impressions video, just see what I can figure out here on my own on camera. Brushed and polished surfaces, really big crown. It's over 7, I would say. Let's check out the bezel. I think my other retrospects have this reverse sloped bezel as well. I think it's kind of their calling card, or that's their thing. And a domed crystal. Looks to be I would say that's probably a single dome. Sorry, the camera angle is a little bit different than my eyeball angle. Bezel feels fine. I think that's a ceramic bezel insert. Alright, I'll put this on wrist real quick. Still wearing the Black Bay 58 recent purchase. Kind of sort of a spontaneous purchase, which is really out of the ordinary for me. I mean, anything. I research everything, even the $100 watch, and this thing I just bought it kind of on the fly. So, yeah. So there it is next to the Black Bay 58 39 millimeter. This is larger than that. Set that over there. Bring over the SKX. Probably already going on too long for an unboxing. Yeah, so this is probably at least a 42. The bezel overhangs the case, which I like. It overhangs by quite a bit. Alright, oh yeah, before I forget, I'll put this on wrist and I'll open up the other box. It's looking, sorry, moving around too much. It's looking a tad bit too big for my wrist. Look at it by eye here. It's probably doable. So, okay, let's get that one off wrist. I do like that they include a strap there. Move the boxes around and we'll bring over this one. I think it's Peren. Perennial product inside. What the heck does that mean? I'll see if I can read this. Well, you can read it there. I can't read it. Let's see if I can read it through the camera. Peren is a brand which does not have a beginning nor an end, for it was not invented nor was it conceived. Yeah, nice marketing speak there, guys. Transylvania. So a genuine leather strap. Looks like an ETA movement, if I had to guess. I can't really read that. Maybe you guys can read it on the camera there, on your screen, whatever you're watching this on. Well, that was kind of tricky. I didn't think it was a rotating bezel. It kind of looked like a rotating bezel, but not really. So I don't know. I don't know why that rotates. I guess there's a fidget spinner. I mean, there's some. There's knurling on the side, and some of them are different sizes. This one's a little thicker than that one, so I don't know what that's about. This case looks very familiar, actually. Yeah, I don't know what that reminds me of. Maybe, no, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about that case shape. It reminds me of something. Smaller watch. Ground feels nice. Feels, I can kind of feel a gasket or something in there when I'm winding it, I think. Or something. I can feel some resistance. Alright, let's get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. Yeah, interesting watch. That's for sure. And it's got some kind of a engraved logo there. The Nodus does as well. I don't think I looked at that earlier. Drilled lugs, so make it easy to change the straps. The strap's a tad bit stiff, but it's the new strap, so what can you expect? Lugs are a little longer than I was expecting. The case seems smaller, but the lugs seem quite long, actually. So there we go. The Peren, whatever this is called, I'll put it in the description on my 6.5-inch wrist. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.